Miramar 2022 Airshow at MCAS Miramar, U.S. Air Force Lockheed U-2. A U.S. Air Force Lockheed U-2, nicknamed Dragon Lady, conducts an aerial demonstration during the 2022 Marine Corps Air Station Miramar Airshow at MCAS Miramar, San Diego, California, September 23, 2022. The U-2, a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft with U.S. Air Force 9th Reconnaissance Wing, Beale Air Force Base, California, provides day and night, high-altitude, all-weather intelligence gathering and reaches altitudes above 70,000 feet. The theme for the 2022 MCAS Miramar Airshow, Marines Fight, Evolve and Win, reflects the Marine Corps' ongoing modernization efforts to prepare for future conflicts. The U.S. Army Parachute Team Skydives is performing at the Miramar Airshow 2022. Sergeant First Class Morgan George and Staff Sergeant Nicholas Orozco of the U.S. Army Parachute Team fly an advanced canopy maneuver with U.S. Navy Parachute Team member at MCAS Miramar near San Diego, California on the 23rd of September 2022.